when we say kufr, there are levels of it. Yeah. The first level underneath Islam is one, and the level underneath that one is a shak, and the level underneath that, the lowest level, is al-wahm. So let me explain these three before I go back to the points that we had. We said we're going to talk about as far as the Khawarij are concerned. So these are the three levels below Islam. I mean, which means a shak, al-wahm. Al-wahm is the bottommost, and then comes, a little above that comes a shak, and a little above that comes al-dhan, and then comes Islam. Islam is absolute submission, 100% submission. At least in the heart, we should not have any kind of suspicion, doubt about the articles of faith and the pillars of Islam. We should not have any kind of doubt, which is why Allah Azza wa Jalla says, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا بِاللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ ثُمَّ لَمْ يَرْتَابُوا. They did not have any kind of suspicion. And adhan, when you say adhan could be even when you are looking at something with 99.9% faith and belief. Remember this. Even if we are looking at something, even if we are ascertaining something, believing in something, but we say we believe in it, even if it is about 99.99%, it's still, because it is not 100%, it's still not Islam. It is still a one, which is, one level below Islam, which is, together, a one, a shak, al waham together would be called kufr. So we should not fall anywhere below Islam, is what I'm saying. Adhan, Quran talks about it. وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ, what is that ayah? وَإِذَا قِيلَ إِنَّ وَعْدَ اللَّهِ حَقٌّ وَالسَّاعَةُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهَا قُلْتُمْ مَا نَدْرِي مَا السَّاعَةُ إِن نَظُنُّ إِلَّا ظَنًّا وَمَا نَحْنُ بِمُسْتَيْقِنِينَ. When these kuffar, when these infidels, the people of Makkah back then, were asked, were told, وَإِذَا قِيلَ إِنَّ وَعْدَ اللَّهِ حَقٌّ, that Allah Azza wa Jal's promise is indeed absolutely true. He is going to fulfill his promise. And further, Allah Azza wa Jalla says, وَالسَّاعَةُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهَا. There is no doubt in the coming of the hour, the day of judgment. Then they, turned around and said, مَا نَدْرِي مَا السَّاعَةُ. We don't even know what the hour is. We don't even know what the day of judgment is. إِن نَظُنُّ إِلَّا ظَنَّا. We just have a kind of suspicion. Even if we believe, we don't believe it to 100%. We believe it less than that. إِلَّا ظَنَّا وَمَا نَحْنُ بِمُسْتَيْقِنِينَ. We don't have any conviction about it, is what they are saying. So, which is why I said that the level below Islam is that of adhan. And then the level below adhan is that of ashak. Ashak usually is 50-50. You believe and you have also your own aspersions and suspicions and doubts. So that's what is, it's like hanging in the balance. When you have these two hanging in the balance, on one hand, you say you are a Muslim, you believe, and on the other hand, you have your own suspicions, you have your own doubts, whether it is pertaining to the day of judgment, pertaining to the angels that we have never seen, pertaining to the belief in the book, that it is actually the book of Allah Azza wa Jal. It is not the handiwork of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, or for that matter, believing in the matters pertaining to Al Qadr. Yeah. So when we have even 0.00001% suspicion in that, we go out of the fold of Islam. Of course, I'm not, labeling people to be out of the fold of Islam. We keep talking about those four conditions, that a person could be misinterpreting, a person could be confused, a person could be forced, a person could have forgotten, or fifthly, a person could be mistaken to be something. So these are some of the things you have to ensure, that there is enough knowledge about it and there is intention also behind what one is saying. So a shak is 50-50. And below that shak is, anything below 50% is called al-wahm. You don't even really believe in that, but because people say it, you seem to be okay with it. So this is what can get us out of the fold of Islam. So this is why I said, when we are fluctuating, let's continue to pray to Allah Azza wa Jal that we fluctuate only between Islam, Iman, and Ihsan, inshallah ta'ala.